Hi everyone, this is Samuel from Zoom. The PodTrak P4next makes podcasting simple, and its tone and compressor features help your voice sound clean, balanced, and broadcast ready. When you activate tone, the P4next instantly applies EQ and de-essing to smooth out harsh frequencies, reduce sharp S sounds, and add warmth and clarity to your voice, giving you that professional, polished sound. Let's take a listen.
This is a tone test to hear how my voice sounds. Clear, natural, and balanced, with smooth highs and a full, warm low end.
Turn on the compressor to even out volume changes from natural movements, laughter, and whispers. It keeps your levels consistent so your voice stays front and center from start to finish. Let's take another listen.
This is a compressor test to hear how my voice responds. Keeping the volume even, controlling peaks, and adding a smooth, consistent tone throughout.
With tone and compressor working together, your podcast will sound refined and ready for release right out of the recorder. For more information about the PodTrak P4next, check out the other videos on our YouTube channel and visit our website, zoomcorp.com. Good luck and enjoy creating.